Alright, let's look at the homework 8.4, problem number 8. Right, so we want to find an equation of the tangent line at the given point. Right, so let's do that. Alright, so we already have x1 and y1. So x1 is 3 pi over 2 and y1 is going to be 0. So all we need is a slope. So let's take the derivative. Right, so you have a y prime is equal to, right, so 7 is just a constant here, so I'm going to just put the 7 right in front. Right, then we're going to just take the derivative using a product rule. So this is the first guy, and this is the second guy. Right, take the derivative of the first guy, you get the cosine of x, right, times second guy is cosine, so it's going to be cosine squared. Right, plus, right, first guy is a sine sine of x, and times the derivative of cosine is negative sine, so it's going to be this is going to be negative sine squared of x. Right, and the cosine squared minus sine squared, you don't have to do this, but this is equivalent to 7 times. This is cosine of 2x. Right? So if you find the slope m, all you have to do is 7 cosine of 2 times x1, so it's going to be 3 pi. Right? And the cosine of 3 pi is, let's see, negative 1. So this is negative 1. Right? So therefore, m is going to be equal to negative 7. Right? So the equation is y minus y1, which is 0, which doesn't really do anything. And slope is negative 7. And the quantity x minus x1 is 3 pi over 2. Right? So in this case, minus 0 doesn't do anything, so I'm going to just erase it. So it's a negative 7 times x minus 3 pi over 2. Right? So let's type it in. Right? So it's going to be y is equal to negative 7 times x minus 3 pi over 2. Right? So let's check the answer. Alright, I came back and looks like we got this one correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.